You know, if I was to describe Beon Stone, it's really a revolutionary product. It's somewhat new to the market, so we're just bringing on as a new customer. The companies we work with share a lot of the same values we do. They have the same type of integrity.
The moment I met InStone people initially, it was like an instant connection. You could tell that we're not talking about a business relationship here. We're talking about partnering into something that's going to be very exciting.
Beon Stone to me is a product line that is a wave of the future.
Beon Stone is a mechanically fastened product which differentiates from what's out there in the market already. There's a unique moisture management system in the back called the D.RAIN System. We also have a unique size of the panel that quickens the installation, reduces waste as well. So we're really trying to make it easy for people to use it down the chain.
The D.RAIN system of Beon Stone allows for every single drop of moisture that finds itself in the back of the wall system to drain down, leaving the entire wall totally dry.
So basically we let air enter between panels in the joints. So it's always dry behind the panel. But if you let air come in, at the same time you're going to have water coming in. So the drainage system that we call D.RAIN or DRAIN system would capture the water that's coming in through the joints in a channel system, and it would bring water down those little channels here from panel to panel down the wall. So not even a drop of water would touch the water barrier. It's the only mechanically fastened system out there that manages water infiltration.
The ease of installation is possibly one of the greatest advantages with it. You don't have to be a mason. You can be a sider, you can be a do-it-yourselfer. When we took the team out there yesterday and tried it, after we installed a couple, we were moving right along.
Having the ability to work with Beon Stone for the first time in a hands-on approach, I have to say this was just the easiest thing I've ever worked with.
The way that it fits into channels, it's so precise on how it slides in and easy that you can move them almost on a track. You get the first level even and you're off to the races. You don't have to constantly put a level on everything.
With the starter strip, with the D.RAIN system, with the fastener in the back, you don't need formal training. You just take the panel, make sure it's aligned, screw it, you're done.
Installing Beon Stone is simple and easy to do. Anyone can do it.
Getting your hands on it is really, really the key.
What I really am excited about is in my market, having a product that's not going to be held hostage by the weather and the weather conditions, the cold, the rain, the snow. So giving my customers a product that they can work with year-round now is incredibly exciting.
Usually you'll have to shut down in November and then you can start back up as a mason, maybe in April and May. With this, in some of our regions, they can go 12 months a year.
The Beon Stone program is really a 4-profile package. Each profile has a given set of colors being offered, so the idea is really to be able to cover more of the modern type looking as well as the conventional type look of stone. So we're trying to really cover a wide range of applications, and the different colors is really to fit and match with all the different territories that have specific needs and special requests. So we have an extensive line of colors and profile to be able to service every market we're into.
There's a lot of excitement from not just me, but also the sales reps. We were fortunate enough to meet with the top management, the owners of the company, and we're really aligned well to be successful. We share in the same passions, we share in the same excitement. They're every bit as excited about it as we are, so I see a great strategic partnership.